Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm in the parking lot at UPS and I just received the Mulberry bag that I bought from the sale, and the sale is still going on. If you buy 2 or more items you get 20% off. If you buy 3 or more items you get 25% off, and that's what I did. Now, if you want to be able to buy whatever items you want to get the discount, you have to call the store because not every item qualifies on the Shop Premium Outlets page, but I will link that Shop Premium Outlets down below. That is a legitimate place to buy Mulberry outlet bags. Mulberry Outlet supplies the bags to Shop Premium Outlets. That's not always the case, but with Mulberry, it is. I'm waving around a weapon here. This is what I'm going to use to open the box. Anyhow, so what I bought to get the 25% off the bag is 2 clearance cell phone cases for an iPhone X. So I'm going to pull those out. I don't even know what color of cases I got because I don't have an iPhone X. If you have an iPhone X, reach out and I will send you these cases because I hate for them to go to waste. But here's the box. I'm going to set it on the seat next to me and open it because it's going to be really hard to put it right down here in the middle. I have my twist still today. In fact, I'm still wearing the same outfit that I wore yesterday. And I don't know what happened. I don't know if my shoulders got better. Like I was having maybe some nerve issues in my shoulders I wasn't even aware of with regards to wearing this bag. But it's either the top or something. I don't know. It is much better to carry that bag than it has been in the past. The best way to open these is with a box cutter, and I do have multiple box cutters at home, but only one of which I know where it is, and it is not in my car. So I'm using some weaponry that was left in my car by my husband to get into the box. One thing about the Mulberry outlet is they ship absolutely beautifully. I mean, this box is thick as heck, and then inside of it, they put a beautiful shopping bag generally, and that's the case. I did open it from the bottom by accident, so I'm gonna tip it over and kind of just let the bag fall out, the shopping bag. So here we have the shopping bag, and again, I mean, what beautiful packaging. It is also sealed from the top, so let's pull it open. We've got tissue paper inside. Move over to Louis Vuitton, check out Mulberry's packaging. They know how to do it. So here is the bag. Should I open the cell phone cases first? That way you can see if you want them. It's just even a shame to have them shipped to me because I really don't want to waste anything. But the only other options I could find after this were like $48 scarves that I wouldn't use, and I didn't want to do that either. Looks like this one may be yellow. I did try to find a phone case that would fit my current phone, but just didn't see one. And I love spec cases, so I think this may be the double yellow color. So again, it's an iPhone X case. If you are interested in having one, reach out to me and I can send it your way. I might not send it in the box because that would cost a lot, but if I can just send it in an envelope, like a padded envelope, I might do that. Let's see if the other one's the same color. This one's an oxblood, so it's worth at least looking at these because you get to see the color of the Mulberry leathers. The first one is actually in deep amber, so I'm glad I checked that because double yellow is a color that I have considered getting and I haven't seen it in person. So this one, let's check it out. So the oxblood color is literally almost black. It's a very, very dark brown. And again, iPhone X case, if you want it, reach out to me. I have a feeling there aren't going to be very many of you out there that have an iPhone X, but you never know. So here we go. And just so you know, I'm kind of repeating myself, but the iPhone X cases were $16 each. Did not get the extra 25% off on them, but by adding the first one on this bag, gosh, I saved, I think, around $150. By adding the second one, I saved like an additional $37. So paying the $16 in both cases saved me a lot of money. I have not seen this bag, so let's get into it. I cannot wait. Oh my freaking goodness. Yes, I did it. I got the Mulberry Pink Mini Alexa. And when I looked at it at first here just now, I thought it had like a dimple right here. And when you look at it from the front, it really doesn't have that. I mean, it's just the shadowing. Gosh, this color is like a fuchsia. It's the strap poking through is what it is, I think. Yes, here's the strap. So if I remove that, let's see if I get that little indentation to go away. Yeah, I don't think you see it anymore. This is such an unusual color. My goodness, it's almost like a magenta, more so than pink. Huh, I wonder what that is. There's a little bit of white on the back here. You can see. Hopefully that will come off. Fingers crossed. I really don't want to have to deal with the return. That would be a pain in the butt. This is the first one I've got from the outlet that still has the sticker on the front plate. I don't really worry about the hardware on these bags too much because it seems to sort of have an aged appearance to it, at least so far. I do think that this is shinier. They do have a couple different kinds of hardware. And yes, this is definitely shinier than on my other mini Alexa, that lilac blossom with gold hardware. That one's almost more antiqued. So I don't think this one will look quite as good with the little softy chain because it's like a pale light yellow, but it goes so beautifully with the bag. And I'm betting whatever that is will come off. With it still having all the stickers on it, I don't think this one was probably a floor model. The ones I've gotten so far from them, the acrylic green and the pigment blue mini base waters, they were both, I think, floor models, and they had the sticker taken off. Let's look inside. I wonder if this bag is like a different type of interior than what I've got so far. It's quite lovely, very tonal. The inside of the flap is leather. On the inside of the bag, we've got, again, the mixture of the suede and the pebbled leather. And I do have the care booklet. Let me see if I have the price tag in here with the numbers. I don't think I do. They didn't include that. Shoot. I do like having that, but certainly don't need it. Well, that is it until I get back into my closet. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more when we get back home. Okay, I'm back in my closet with all the clutter behind me that some of you hate, but this is the best room in the house for me to do videos. All my stuff is right here. It's easy to grab, and the sound is better here than it is like if I'm in my living room. It's really echoey, and so that's why I do it in here. It's probably because of all the stuff that it's not echoey. But anywho, I grabbed down my Lilac Blossom Mini Alexa because this is like a purpley pink. It is definitely what I would consider lilac, to be frank, but it does have both purple and pink in it, in my opinion, and so does this. And so I wanted to show you them together because when I opened up this Mulberry Pink Mini Alexa, I immediately thought, oh, it's got like bluey purple undertones to it. And because of that, it's going to work with my wardrobe even better than I thought. And when I ordered this one, I thought that it would be my third favorite of my 3 mini Alexas. But I'm telling you, it is like really hard to choose which one I like best. If I had to, I would probably choose this one of the 3. I've got the pale gray as well. But I'm telling you, it's like a millimeter difference in how much I like each bag. This one, when I look at it, I just felt like pure happiness. And I know that's silly to feel happiness when you get a bag, but I am super happy that I ended up getting it. And if you want to get one, the outlet, when I talked to them a few minutes ago, they only have one left. And like I said, I added the 2 phone cases to the purchase, and with all 3 items, it was like $688.25 or 50 cents. And this bag retails for $12.50. So here are the 2 phone cases. I've got the amber color and the oxblood color. If you want one of these, I am happy to send it to you for free, except for I would like for you to pay shipping, and we can just say $5. That should cover putting it in a bubble mailer. And I won't send the box because the box is pretty bulky and pretty heavy, but $5 should definitely cover shipping either one of these within the United States. I do love being able to see the oxblood color and that amber color in person because you never know, you might want a bag in one of these shades. I love this amber color. I don't know if I would get a mini Alexa in that color, but I might consider a mini base water or something else. You never know. One thing I thought I was missing when I did the car unboxing was the tag, but it's actually fastened to the dust bag. So here is the information on this particular item. The other thing I wanted to let you know is I used just a little bit of leather cleaner and was able to get that white stuff off the back. I don't know what it was, but it came right off. I'm going to go ahead and peel the protector off the front plate because I want you to see how shiny it is in comparison to the one on the Lilac Blossom. If you look here, you can see that it does not reflect the light in the same way. So this one has more of an aged finish, which matches that little softy chain I have for it. This one is more shiny. It's almost like Louis Vuitton hardware. It's a little bit lighter shade of gold, I would say, but I do think it is quite stunning with the color of the bag. So I think that's a wrap. I am loving these both, and I don't know what I'm going to carry next. I've got a different shirt on, and it looks pretty good with both of them. On the video I just did about the next bag I might buy because I sold my Coach Soft Tabby, I think I'm going to hold off unless something just pops up for sale that I absolutely love, because most of those items that I showed you weren't available at the moment. So it would be a pre-loved purchase or a purchase from a reseller, or if I got lucky and the outlet got one sort of situation. I'm tending to lean towards that lawn green color with the silver hardware or the cornflower blue with the silver hardware, but those were from a while back and I haven't seen any of them for sale, but those are the two that tend to make my heart flutter the most, and they're just not out there at the moment. If you come across one on eBay or somewhere that is safe to purchase from, please let me know, because I think I would be interested in those. But for now, I'm going to stick with the three I have, including the newest edition, the Mulberry Pink Mini Alexa. If you want to get one of these, like I said, there was just one left. You can reach out to me and I will share my sales associate information with you by DM or email should you want to grab one of these little cuties. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.